Welcome to English Vinglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English. Improve your English. The Ugly Girl Life Story. Today I will tell you a story. It is a story about a girl. People called her ugly, but her life story will inspire you. Please listen carefully and improve your English. Once upon a time there was a little girl. Her name was Anna. Anna was kind, gentle and smart, but people did not see her hurt. They only looked at her face. Anna did not look like the other girl. She had glasses. She had messy hair. Her skin was not clear. The children at school teased her. They called her names. They laughed at her every day. At home, Anna was quiet. Her parents loved her, but even they sometimes compared her. They said, "Why don't you look like your cousin? She is beautiful." These words hurt Anna deeply. She thought, maybe I am not good enough. When Anna grew older, life did not get easier. She was a teenager now. She wanted to have friends. She wanted to feel loved, but many people ignored her. There was one boy Anna liked. She thought he was kind. She dreamed about him. One day she told him her feelings, but he laughed at her. He said, "Me? With you? Never. You are too ugly." Anna's heart broke into pieces. She cried all night. She promised herself never to tell anyone her feelings again. Slowly Anna became shy. She stopped looking in the mirror. She stopped talking to people. She believed the people would never accept her. One day something happened in a school. A teacher noticed Anna's talent. She is very good at drawing. The teacher said, "Anna, you have a gift. Don't waste it." For the first time, Anna felt hope. She thought, maybe I am not beautiful, but maybe I can be talented. From that day, Anna worked hard. She spent hours drawing. She read books. She studied. Slowly, she started to feel proud of herself. Years passed. Anna finished school. She went to college. She learned about art and design. She became stronger and more confident. She also started taking care of her health. She exercised. She ate healthy food. She cut her hair, bought new clothes, and smiled more often. Little by little, people began to notice her. She was not just the ugly girl anymore. She was creative, smart, and confident. Her beauty started to shine from the inside out. After college, Anna became an artist. Her paintings were shown in galleries. People admired her work. She was invited to events. She made many friends. She was happy. One day, Anna met the same boy who once rejected her. He looked surprised. He said, "Anna, is that really you? You are beautiful now. Let's meet again." But Anna just smiled. She said, "I don't need your love. I have found my own happiness." She walked away with confidence. Anna's story teaches us something important. Being ugly is not forever. Looks can change, but more important than looks are kindness, strength, and confidence. Thank you, my dear subscriber, for being here with me. Your support means everything to me. I hope this story touched your heart. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.